That's exactly how, I mean, they have been doing that all morning.
So hip hop parade, ho, hey, ho, hey.
Oh, hey girl.
He's a brute, I admit. He was built like a brute too. You kind of expect that like Biff mentality from him.
Oh, look at it.
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall.
Not rage.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Can I pet the kitty? Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going?
Something tells me that he wants it.
It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Look at her try to get it. Oh my
Oh my god.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
shit.
Say hi to everybody.
What? How are you doing this?
Spike loves his new hat.
Say hi, little kitty.
Oh.
Cat scared of hacky sack? Let's find out.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
Is he still in there?
Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer.
Are you serious?
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for.
I believe I can fly.
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?
Ow. High five.
Sous le pont de Bercy, le musicien.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Get the puppy. Get the dog. Get the dog, pups.
With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little tall.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, no!
Dude, need to get some food and get the cat out of. Oh my god!
Just a great day all around.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right. I hear ya.
Wait!
But first, let me take a selfie.
3, 2, 1, dance! Gorgeous.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Turtle cat!
Hello. Oh. What are you doing there? Okay. All right. Okay.
Panda, say I love you.
Did you just touch me? Oh yes, I'm very sorry. Don't ever touch me.
God. Oh, kitty, I love you so much, beautiful cat. You're so perfect.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web.
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop. Hey, Bailey, let's show him our new high five. Hey, be nice.
Y'all thought y'all's cat was rude. Hold up, meet Nicki Minaj.
Nikki.